We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please stand by, please stand by. This is the national emergency. In the Pennsylvania state, multiple reports of hijacked broadcasts by an anomalous broadcast known as Broadcast 813. This broadcast puts the viewers into a pseudocoma, losing their ability to move or communicate except for eye movements. This paralysis gives them to see the figure in their vision that appeared in the broadcast known as FEN 228. What will you do to survive? Here are the steps you should read. We'll go back to the program.